Hi everyone! Today I'm making homemade poppy seed dressing. This dressing is super easy to make and it has a sweet and tangy flavor. So let's get started. In a blender, add 1/3 cup of white wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground dry mustard, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now blend this together until it's well combined. Then, while the blender is running, slowly add the oil until it's well combined. Now place your mixture into a bowl. Then add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Now, just stir this together until it's well combined. And here it is, homemade poppy seed dressing. Now this dressing is great for a variety of salads and dishes. It's also great as a dipping sauce for veggies or fried foods. You could also use this as a marinade for chicken. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. Oh my God, we'll have to make a salad! I gotta make a new salad. I didn't get a battery. I can't get it off. There. Today I'm making homemade, my voice cracked. Then, while the blender is still running, add your oil.